Happy Easter, guys! I know it's Easter now, but your girl is finally sharing our last holiday. From last minute shopping runs to getting my nails done and packing for me and the kids, it was a full-on mission. This video is giving festive chaos, mom life realness, and a whole lot of holiday vibes. So whether you're planning your next trip or just here for the vibe, stick around. This one's good and this one is for you.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're out of the house. I've got some things to buy. I have lots of errands to run today. Currently in M&S, trying to look around for the things I need to get. So come with me to go pick up some things from Primark, do some returns. Travel things. Oh, there's even a phone holder here. So, this is what I came for. I think I'll do this instead. Yeah. So there's like a wash bag for sponge and things, makeup bag. Yeah. Luggage cover. Because going on holiday with kids isn't always easy. There's the packing, the snacks, and the are we there yet moment. But honestly, it's so worth it. Holidays give us a chance to slow down and really connect, to laugh without rushing, explore the world through the kids' eyes, and create memories that stick for a lifetime. It's not about the perfect itinerary. It's about the laughter at breakfast, the cuddles after a long day, and the magic of experiencing new things together. So if you've been waiting for the right time, this is your sign. Go make those memories with your kids. I'm Nespa.
There you go.
Thank you. So I just got to the city center and I'm heading to the nail salon. Do you see why I love to moisturize? Can you see my face? Yeah, it's just 5-minute walk from the bus station and I'll be at the nail salon.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury.
So that's it. I'm about to start my nails. Yes, please. There's details in here for me. So detailed. Really? Come, Molly, come. Oh, so cute. Molly, and then Mama. 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 Where are your babies? Where? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Turn.
Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah. I work too hard, oh my. We come so far, oh I. Cover these scars and diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving looks, yeah. La 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 la. Looks, la la la.
That's the quickest shopping I went for and the cheapest with all I've picked. So I've just left my land. I'm on my way to pick some biscuits and treats. It's really cold and the weather is kind of foggy. Yeah, catch you guys later. Really tired and stressed, but what to do? Sweet Jesus, I think I'm happy with the things I got. They're so cute and colorful. Trust Matalan to always come to me and deliver.
You must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 la. La 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 la. Looks. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you take me.
So I'm out of Tesco now. I'm really very excited. Possibly including the PJ. So I found it, rushed it, and I'm not going to City Center again. So happy I'm not going to Primark. I'm just going home now, heading home. Going to the bus station. It's really not far. I've walked for. Let's save time. Yes, on my way home. So cold, freezing. But I'm happy. I can't conclude my packing now. Nothing is stopping me from packing.